Make sure to like the YouTube stream, guys. Thank you so much. Well, I hear myself. Hi, YouTube chats again. It's there, right? It's not popping up. Where are we at? Yep, it's there. All right. Boy. All right. Let me do a few things first. All right, perfect. So I think I updated my title. I hope I updated my title. Updated everything before. Perfect. Okay. So this mod is pretty much working. I didn't feel like debugging anything on stream in case I just didn't make any progress at all. So, but this thing works. I want to show you guys. So I completely overhauled this mod. That's why I haven't updated it since February. Completely overhauled it. It's built off of another mod now called Amex. Where's my freaking thing? There we go. Sorry about that. Whoops. So I'll show you guys right now. It's built off of a mod called Amex, which is the functionality of the keybind thing. So this thing works now. There's no bugs with this whatsoever. From what I could tell, which is pretty freaking sweet. It allows Alt, Control, Shift, and I think the Windows key. But I can't do that because it brings me out of the game. So that's what that does. I haven't found anything weird with this thing yet, which is pretty neat. What I think is super cool is that if your secondary key is too long, it will just know to shorten. Like Shift becomes S, Control becomes C, and Alt becomes just A. So there's like tiny versions. I think Control goes to that, Shift goes to that, or Shift backspace. No, what is it? Shift Enter? That gets shortened down too. I don't know. It's a really small detail that's pretty cool. But it works. So yeah, it's built off of a mod called Amex. I believe. Not I believe, I know. Amex does exactly what I was trying to do, but it is updated to this newer version. I don't know why it's doing that. What if I just... It's so weird that the screen goes black. If I just do that. This is the dev like thing, so maybe that's why it's being finicky. But yeah. So yeah, it works. I have like very small changes to make with this thing. So let me bring... Oh, I had 2 Minecrafts open. Is that what the issue was? Maybe. That's weird. Okay. So I tested it out. It does open in 1.21.7, which is pretty neat. I need to... There's a few things I need to do. I need to change... I think I need to... What do I need to do? I needed to change this to allow multiple versions. How did I do that here? 1.21.6. Alright, you know what? Let me try... I believe... Because what was the other version up to? 21.4? Actually, I could probably just check my Modrin. I'm pretty certain it's 21.4. I put this on beta last night and it just did not work, so I'm sorry to the 6 people that downloaded it. But yeah, 21.4. So I'm going to do this for 1.21.5, 1.21.6, 1.21.7, and 1.21.8. Yeah. To remove the beta, I only had one beta. I fixed there's a thing with the mix-ins where, hold on, I'll try to load it and show you guys. I didn't have the reference map for the mix-ins, like, properly, so now it works. Hey Key, welcome in. Good morning. What are those codes? This is our keybinds mod that I've finally gotten around to updating again. I left it on 1.21.4 back in like February, and finally I'm back to working on it. I think I just need to check out the, where is it? Enhanced keybinds. Wait, this loaded. I swear to God, this was like crashing on me before. What? Okay, weird. Let me open this up again. I swear it crashed on me before, but whatever. Little hacker. Yes, yes, I am. No, I actually didn't do too much work on the new version because it's built off of another mod now. It's not made by me from scratch. It's built off of Amex, but the custom keybinds logic is still from the original mod that I made. I was able to like kind of like squish the two things together and it worked out. Enhanced keybinds, where are we at? Enhanced keybinds. Enhanced keybinds. Cool. Okay. Okay. Boom. I'm gonna test this for 1.21.5. Yes, yes, let me build that. Let me go to, oh, banger, by the way. We're using a new playlist, by the way, for the stream, so nice. Minecraft. That's not the right one. It should work on all the versions. It might need Fabric API actually. It does, not it might, but I need to see if it will crash because of that. Okay. Bam. Bam. Yep. Fabric API. Boom. Actually, I think I have a download of it somewhere. Download Fabric API. Boom. Again, it should work on 1.21.5. Very big numbers. Where? Wait, what are we talking about? The version? I mean, if you're interested, Key, I can show you. And everybody's lurking. It's also a Thursday. Still does not work. What the freak? Oh. That's because of Gradle. Yarn, fabric. Wait. Oh, I need... What do I need? I think I just need a... Oh yeah, because I'm using the wrong version of fabric. That's for 1.21.7. Whoops. Versions 21.5, 21.5. Bam, bam, bam. Might actually still cause issues. Nope, it's loading. Okay, cool. Nope, it crashed. Oh. Yeah. Boom, boom. I get a notif on Discord. It pings live notif role instead of at everyone now key. So if you don't have that role, you should get it by going to into the Discord. Yeah, it pinged stream notifs. So you might just not have that role. I'm not doing I'm gonna stop pinging everyone because not everyone wants to be pinged. I don't know. Maybe whatever. Okay. This should work because it's for yeah. Why is it not working? Maybe it doesn't work for 1.21.5. When was Chase the Skies? That was 21.6, right? Okay, let's try that then. 21.6. And then where am I going? Because wait, Chase the Skies was 1.21.6. That might be it. Okay, whatever. Bam, and then build, and then point 21.6. Fabric. Two.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
Okay. Folder. I think the dev environment is 21.7, so that's why I have to, or that's why I want to do this. Also, the dev environment doesn't freaking find mixing errors. It's so annoying. Or whatever it was. Yeah. Let's go with that fabric API. 21 point, what was it, 6? Last 20 ago. Boom. 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 See if it loads. Sweet. Now does it work properly? I just realized I don't have mod menu, but it's there. It's on by default. Yeah. Let me see if it actually finds. It does. Perfect. Okay. I'm marking this as compatible with Chase the Skies. 1.20. I just want to check. 1.21.5 was... That was the fall, the spring to life drop, right? Alright. But it doesn't work for 1.21.5. What's up, Pug? For some reason, this does not work with 1.21.5. Weird. Alright, Chase the Skies and above it is. The one version I played. Is it really? Alright, hold on. Gotta get it to work for Pug. Gotta try. Gotta try. Boom, 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 boom. See, because if I change the... If I change that to 0.5, 0.5, then we go to... Mods. Oh. 1.5, and then did I build that? Build. I remember what, but something I used wasn't working with 1.21.6. Oh, really? You haven't updated to Chase the Skies yet, Pug? With the gas and stuff, because that's 1.21.6. Yeah, so it crashes on 1.21.5, or when I just did it before it did. Yeah, and I am too dumb to know why. Not execute client due to errors. Whoa. Just without any mods. What if maybe if I do the 1.21.4 version, will that work with 1.21? Config data? Auto config. It seems like a cloth config issue, actually. What the hell? Include, where is it? Let me try to find. What is this? June. Does it matter what version I use? 18.0145. 18.0145. If this breaks it, then I give up and I am not doing it for Pug's version. I'm terribly sorry, Pugathy. Perfecto. One last time. Let's try this out. Did I just see it not? No, it finished. Mix and mouse. Oh, alright. Oh, okay, Pug. Boom, boom, boom. Now, all the errors were with cloth config, which isn't even, like, what the mod is, so maybe I just had to change the version that cloth config was on, but also oh my god. Oh my god. No freaking shot. Yo. I got it, Pug. I got you. Damn, I did not. Wow, okay. 1.21.5, cool. Alright. So I just had to use an older version of the embedded cloth config. That's pretty cool. Now I'm making nukes out of gas if I update. Oh, okay. Seems like it was an easy fix. I didn't even touch the code. You just had to change the I didn't mean to screenshot that. Oops. You just had to change the Maven version of the cloth config. I just downgraded a bit. Now I want to know, can I go into 21.6 and have no issues? I'm gonna try it for like every major version now. And by every major version, I just mean every version. There's no such thing as major or minor version anymore. Not a fan of that, by the way. I lost my jar. There it is. I have to rename this, by the way. I'm saying 1.21.7 because that's the... It's like in the name of it. Yeah, it wasn't an easy fix. It's fun. Now, will this crash the game because it's not using... Nope, it works. Wow, that's nice. Get freaking hyped. I didn't check if it works the same, but I assume there's nothing wrong with it. Because the only issue with it was cloth config. It didn't have anything to do with the mod. Sweet! Alright, so if it works for that, it works for everything else as well. Actually, that's not true. I'm gonna test it with 21.7. Enhanced, is it? No, I did get rid of it. So throw it in there. It should work the same. Please work the same, because this is the version I actually play on.
Hi, how are
Nice. Yo, Ender Watts, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Sweet. Nice. That works as normal. These are the same. I think that's Alt and T and Alt and C. Alt G. Although I think Alt G was... Wait, I just freaking messed up my mouse sensitivity. Hold up. I think it was there. Disable sign GUI. Where is that? I want to say it's Alt G. And G is just gamma? The freak are my quick actions. Oh, that's for creative mode. What even are quick actions? Like I know, but I don't know. Also that is not how it's supposed to be. Wait, is it? This is. Highest is 500. I don't remember changing that. Okay, whatever. Maybe I should swap those keybinds actually. I'm gonna be using the sign one a little bit more often. That to G. And that can just be G. Perfect. So subtitles. Sneaking mode. Nice. What else did I have? Oh, there's a new one that was part of the fork that I made for Amex. That's why it's new. You might have noticed it when I went to the config. But you can enable an alternate escape key. So you can set a different key to pause your game, basically. Which is pretty cool. I do have to restart the game every time I do this, but... I got 1.21.8 to launch. Oh? With all the mods? Wait, really? I was on 21.8 and it was super laggy for me, Pug, which is why I downgraded to 21.7. But now that I think about it, I think that was the computer. So if I go on 1.21.8 now, it would probably feel the same. Yeah, so check it out. This thing is really cool. I'm not going to use it, but you know, it's for people that do. It's pretty cool. I think it's in, I put it in miscellaneous, so it's not part of the, yeah. So alternate escape keybind, let's set that to like M or something. And it does the same thing as escape. So you can't you cannot unbind your escape key, which is annoying. But for those people that like their own, like, you know, hand placement or whatever, I'm pressing M right now. So that's pretty neat. Again, like, not the biggest thing, but it's a small little detail. It's pretty cool. But that's part of Amex. I did not do that. It's pretty cool. And by default, that's turned off, as well as the individual skin keybinds. And then enabled by default is your full skin and the controls, I believe. So that's sick. I need to see what else I need to do. I think just language things. Enhance keybinds. Perfect. So you do have to restart your game every time you enable or disable one of these things, because it's your keybinds. Like it's after initialization. Or you know what I mean? Like it can't be changed after initialization, I mean. Which is why it requires a restart of the game. So yeah. What file do I need to copy for keybinds? Options.txt, I believe. That copies everything you have set after this button, I'm pretty sure. So all your accessibility settings are saved. Keybinds, that, yeah. And I believe as long as you have the mod, in terms of like custom keybinds, I mean, because that's different, right? It uses the mods config. So as long as you have the mod config too. What the hell did I just do? I'm on a... Can you still hear me? I'm on a different desktop. What the hell? What button did I just press? Wait, I'm capturing... Did you see that? I'm on virtual... Windows key, control, and then the arrows? What the hell? I just switched to my virtual desktop 2 that had no applications open, and it scared me so bad. I'll launch so the mod configs loaded and whatnot. Okay, that's good. I'm just saying you don't have to worry about when you update having to reset all your keybinds if you copy your options, because it's in the mod config. It's not part of your options, or you know what I mean. It's, yeah, it might break when you don't have the mod and you update, because then your keybinds are using the mod's modifier keys and it doesn't know what to do because you don't have the mod. But again, it doesn't break your game. It just makes you need to reconfigure your keybinds if you remove it and update or whatever. But that's something for the GitHub issues. I'm not gonna test that. My stackable totems mod broke? Oh, you use that stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot you use. Forgot you're a PvP kid at heart. Smile. How does this stackable totems mod break? Wait, send me the mod. I can update it. It's probably just not. Okay, now I'm curious. Those are just stackable totems? Is it this one, Pug? Oh wait, that can't be it. It's super old. Oh wait, no? Is it this one? I can update it for you. Wait, it's a data pack too. What the hell? Let's look into it, shall we? This is the mod you use, right, Pug? I wonder if it's just a dependency issue. Where is everyone today? Working, Key. Why? Where do you think? Everyone's back in school. Working. No, thank you, Winrar. It's probably just. Wait, what? Oh, it's a data pack. Oh, it's a data pack that's put into a. Oh. Yeah, maybe it's not gonna work because it's a data pack. Yeah, because they changed how data packs work. Oh, I cannot help you. I do not know MC function. I'm sorry. Maybe Mandolin's got you. Also, what the hell is my achievement screen? What? Is that just because I've skipped some? Weird. Also, I'm not streaming Minecraft, Key, so people are not going to click on the stream. How that works. Alright, let's get this on Modrinth, shall we? I will... Let me build it one more time. I need to get rid of the naming of this thing. Enhance keybinds. 2.0.0. Oh, is it? Enhanced keybinds 2.0.0 jar. I don't know if that's the same naming scheme I had for the last one. I love how I've opened up Round's Modrinth profile so many times that automatically comes up when I search up Modrinth. I need to, what am I doing? I need to push this to GitHub first. I also need to change the README and the and the other stuff. Okay, I have some stuff to do. I think I'm gonna do that first. I don't have a README or a license on this branch. Apache 2.0. I think that's it. State license. And I need to update the state license, add a README. I'm just gonna copy it from the other branch and then just edit it. Boom. This does not use the Enhanced keybinds allows you to assign modifier keys, Alt Control Shift Win. So the key to any vanilla keybind is a fork of AMX Reborn. AMX Reborn. Is a fork of. Also uses a new license, which I looked into, and I just need to include any changes I've made, I believe. Disable key conflicts, allows all hotkeys with the same keybind to activate. Not a thing anymore. New vanilla keybinds, such as toggleable settings from the options menu. You also have the option to remove the new keybind. Toggleable settings from the options menu. Skin layer. Toggles. And an alternate escape bind. I think I'm gonna, yeah. All keybinds are bound by Divo, and you also have the option to remove the new keybinds entirely in the config. Perfect. Compatible with any other mods that add to the vanilla keybind system. Compatibility with controlling. Requires only the Fabric API. Is Reborn your mod? No. My mod is forked from Amex. Reborn is a fork of Amex, and this is a fork of Reborn. And is a fork of it's a fork? Let's look up definition. It's when you like copy over someone else's GitHub repository and then work on it as your own. Not as your own, but complete copy of an existing repository under a different user's account. And then I can fork it and then continue to edit it. Yeah. And then that's how people like merge it with the original. So for example, when a mod is not being updated anymore, like this one, last updated for 21.4, I believe. Oops. 21.6. Yeah. It might work in newer versions. You could fork it and then update it yourself if like it's not being updated itself anymore. So, but under the license, I have to include that it's a fork and like changes and whatnot. So yeah. Yeah. Fork of Mr. Cheesecake's Amex Reborn preview. Alright, cool. And then Reborn is a fork of the original Amex by Civillor, so it's a, you know, forkception here. another key on the keyboard to any vanilla keybind. Overhauled completely and works on versions 1.21.5 and above. This mod was overhauled completely and now this mod adds modifier keys How many days have you played in hardcore? I'm about to hit 2,000 days. Modifier keys to be added before keys for keybinds. Does that even make sense? Or more binds? Compatibility with boom and anyway do answers the toggleable setting from the options menu. Skin layer toggles. Toggleable skin layer keybinds and an alternate escape key. A good song? I agree. I'd also like to check out a mod that Jeremiah sent me. He has somebody working on a pretty neat mod for Wandering Trades. I just gotta see how it works. We'll see if it works. Alright, that's good. Boom, boom, boom. Read me with the license. Okay, cool. Alright. Move you over there. Boom, boom. I need to commit this to fixed up fixin issues and fix up dependencies to include 1.21.5 plus. Fixed up mixin issues and push. Just, oh, okay. It's going to main, so it should. Push. What's your mod gonna do? You can. I mean, I've been kind of creating the whole description of it this whole time there, Square. But you can find it on Modrinth if you want. Look into it yourself. But you can it adds custom keybinds and lets you use it lets you use multiple keys to a keybind. But yeah, this is what I've been doing. I guess. That did it not? I think I have to do it again because it was still working on a. Because remote contains work that you. What? All right, I'm not gonna work on this now. I don't want to break anything. I don't know how freaking IntelliJ works. Call me stupid. Drink. How do I have it on? No, you're good, Square. All good. Like I said, you can get this on Modrinth and just look into it yourself if you want, or just look at the description on Modrinth. I'll put it on CurseForge. Excuse me, I'll put it on CurseForge too. Client side. Yeah. Oh crap! I need to description. Copy that. Copy that. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. Versions. Let's get this up. Nope, not what I tried to do. Enhanced keybinds 1.2.0.0. What is the same naming scheme? Okay. Versions. For 1.21.5. C 1.21.5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Release. It's not even updated yet, but it will be when I do this in uno momento. Let me get that. And cloth. Boom, boom, boom. It's Square. It's not uploaded yet. I'm in the middle of it. I don't know what you just downloaded. Let me go to that's 2.0.0. Now built using Amex 1.21.5 support. Welcome in, Derek. It supports every version past 1.21.5 Square, so it will work. Easily configurable. I got you. And what's up, Jeremiah? Welcome in. And includes now with 1.2. That's not new. This is a change log. Added alternate escape keybind with configuration. Hope you're doing well, Jeremiah. Other minor tweaks / fixes. Eventually, I'm gonna have to like translate stuff. Or not me, but I don't know. It uses platform language loader, which changes it detects what platform you're on, like Windows, Mac, or Linux, and changes the language file based off of that, which is pretty sick. Vibing at work. Nice, dude. Yeah, that's what I'm in the middle of doing right now, Square. I think it is ready to go, though. As always, report bugs on GitHub, please. And thank you. Shoop. All right. Sweet. All right, it's there. Yay. This mod is updated. Finally. God damn. 6 months ago was the last time I updated it. All right, you can get this mod for like pretty much every current version. So, have fun. Also report your stuff on I believe most of these this mod is now built using Amex thanks, Square. Is now built using Amex and should not have this issue for versions 1.1.5 plus and should not. I'm pretty sure I can just copy and paste like everything. Edible mods. Model as the player, all players. Left. Whoa. Alright, yeah, this was modern keyboard. Mod and should not have this issue. But please let me know if it does. I have not tested this. I did not mean to close that. Oops. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Open. Settings with my set keybinds like M plus. Oh, if you want. I'm gonna mark this as just unplanned. This was like one of the original ideas I had, and then I figured out. And I do not plan on implementing this. It's not really a won't fix thing. That's just the modifiers. Alt Shift Control. Brief right. Yeah. Okay. Boom. Close to nothing, Square. I have 2 mods. And yeah, almost no money. That's not really something, not enough for it to like mean anything, you know? Yeah. It pays to keep my Discord bot running. That's all I will say. I'm gonna leave that open. Yay! Let's go. Nice. This is another. Oh, it's just a reopened issue. Okay. 1.1.1. The mod be ported? I had this for versions before 1.21. Wait, what? Oh, 1.21.1. Oh, backported. Probably could, to be honest. Alright. Why are we cheering? Because it pays for my Discord bot. Okay, yep. Have fun with this mod. If you guys come across any issues whatsoever, put it on the GitHub. Please not in Twitch chat or Discord. I'm warning you guys. That's what GitHub is for. Thank you. Not clog Twitch chat. Thank you, nerds. Alright. Sweet. Oh, that's been something I've been meaning to work on since like March. Nice. We'll like the YouTube stream. Thank you. I'm gonna try Jeremiah's mod now, if that's okay with the Jeremiah. I should probably do this on 21.8. Um, 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 uh, how does this work? Oh well, I can't. Damn, I can't look at it because it's in the jar already. Why don't you use the Minecraft launcher? Because look at how easy it is to just select any version I want and play on it. You can't really do that with the Minecraft launcher. It also has its own settings. It has its own .minecraft. It doesn't have one .minecraft folder. It has a folder for every single version. Yeah. The auto mod downloads isn't even what I like use it for. It doesn't even work half the time. But still pretty nice. Can I put it in 1.21.7? That's the real question here. Let me add it to my backup actually. Mods. Okay, perfect. Because then the data pack is on it. Prism is just so nice. True that. Any version that's compatible. Okay, this is okay. It is 1.21.8 only. That's annoying. Is there any way I can change the dependency of this? Please. 1.21.7. The reason I would not use Prism is that it's ugly. Oh, you think this is ugly? I think it's pretty clean. Compared to other ones I've seen at least. Hopefully it's that easy. I wouldn't be surprised if it's not. But yeah. What the freak is that mod called? That. Boom. Alright. It might not because of Gradle. Yeah. Place mod, fabric loader. Oh, 0.17.2. Oh, he just used the most recent version of the fabric loader too. So that should be where is it? I just saw it. Fabric loader 0.16.4. That's what I'm on. That was the only issue though, so I think the other issue went away, so hopefully. Have I ever tried speedrunning? No, but it is fun to watch. That's for sure. And okay. It opened. All right, let's see this. You're still at work, Jeremiah, right? Have you tested this out at all? Actually, it probably has. What is this even called? Oh, that. Oh, it doesn't have config settings. Are you kidding? You're the first. All right. Okay. Saves test world flat text. Welcome in, Astrid. Nah, I don't think. I feel like most people aren't, but we out here. Yeah, so the heads are not here. Slash. What was it? Heads. Reload. Heads reset. Is your wandering trader back in the world save? Yes. Let me try to remove this mod. Oh crap. I'll just and load back into it. And if that does not work, then or if it comes back, I mean, then it's a mod issue. Could just be my game is broken. I know, Pug. Maybe not. My pack might just be broken. Okay, well, I'm kind of glad that it is. So what do I do? I did not mean to do that. Minecraft. Saves, test world, data packs. Wait, but it is... Oh, geez. Saves, test world, data packs. And add that. I don't know why that wasn't working then. It's the same data pack as the one on my hardcore world. Not the Bed Wars instance. 1.8.9. Sir. Oh, super shameless, by the way, but we're actually 2 subs away from 800 on YouTube. So if you're here and you're not subscribed, please. I've been close to 800 subs on YouTube for like a year. So thank you guys. Yes. Someone, please do not. Why are you not working? What version am I on? I'm on 1.21.7. Saves, test world, data packs. Let's try this one. Now I'm just confused why it's not working, because it's the same pack as my hardcore world, and that works, so I'm not really sure. Alright, one last try, and then I'm just gonna move on. Oh yeah, we did it. Thanks, guys. Why do you have a building instance? That's a great question. I have no freaking idea. That's actually funny. Alright, that one worked. Alright, geez. Alright, let me get this freaking mod back. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, now we can try it out. What mod is that? It's an early testing phase right now, Square. Oh wait, that's not a mod. The thing I just showed off is a data pack. You can get that from Vanilla Tweaks. That's a data pack. Yeah. But I did just add a mod that Jeremiah has sent me, which is for testing. Now I don't actually know how to get into this. Do you need, there's no way you need better stats, right? That's the only thing I can edit, right? H? Oh, I saw that. Is it on here? Aha, it is on H. Okay, so he hasn't done any of the language stuff. Alright, H. Recently added alphabetical, none of that stuff. Alright, let me try to heads. Invalid head. Do you need a number after it? Still not showing in the pack. Yeah, no. Is that for... That could be for 1.21.8 though, no? Oh, I see what you mean. Oh yeah, I know, Square. Just don't trigger the bot anymore, you might get bopped. Give. Yeah, I don't know. So it's definitely not like... Wait, it's not even... Wait, hold on. Do I need a freaking command block? Is that what I need to do here? Ay, ay, ay. Where are the... Why is it in controls, dude? Are you kidding me? Type of commands, world edit. You making me type? Okay. Okay. Oh, so it's with the give command. Oh. Oh. Okay. Add to trades. Please install the Vanilla Twix Wandering Trades data pack. I do, sir, actually. Great, thanks for asking, but I do, actually. It just doesn't detect that it's installed, basically. It's pretty neat, though. It's just an easier way to create Wandering Trader packs, Pug. Instead of like going into the file, pasting the new string. It just shows what trades. It also shows what heads you have in like in your trader. The idea is really good. The execution is obviously it's buggy. I've never made one. Yeah, but the thing is like now you can when this thing becomes like playable or usable, I mean. Back to the drawing board. Didn't update it at all. Oh, is this the exact same thing as the issue you're having there, Jeremiah? He might have just updated the dependency. He might have just updated the version. Unless he said he updated something. I mean, so far he's done some stuff. It's definitely interesting. We just need to figure that out. All right, Abra, I feel you with the 30-minute showers. Love that. Love that for you. Have fun. Thank you. What if I copy this? Copy command? Oh, that's just the give command. Okay. Delete. Oh, it deleted both. Oh, I knew that, actually. Alright, so save. What if I copy this? And paste that? Does it import it? No. Yeah, thank you, man. I can see it. I can see it being a thing. If it doesn't work out, I can try something with it, but I see the vision, man. I see the vision. I have a question though, Jeremiah. The demo video that he sent you, was that for 1.20.6? That's for the version that that got first. Does that work completely fine? Or does it just still not work? If it works for 1.20.6, then that's good. But it's just not working at all then. Okay. I'm gonna work on the website for the rest of stream, probably. It's a neat idea though. I'm hoping to get that. We'll go back, Fletcher. The ascent was 1.20.6. There's some stuff in there that needs some work. Okay. Yeah. Dude, I'm really hyped for this thing to work. I am gonna take a break actually though, because I've been live for an hour and a half. So also ad start in 5 minutes. Look at me go. You guys want words up? Put words on. Shoop. I'm gonna put words up. Perfect timing on my part, actually. Jeez. Didn't even see that there's 6 minutes of ads. Alright, Square, have a good one. That's something for Google Key. That is the perfect answer. That is the perfect question to put into google.com. Yes. Alright, give me 10 minutes. I'm gonna go get a snack and stretch the legs, and so should you guys. Alright. Thank you, Pug. Pug's in charge. Oh, I haven't said that in a while. Alright, I'll be back. Shoop. Alright. Yeah. Remember, exclamation mark CONT to continue and retry to restart. All right. Have fun. Good luck. Bye. the song's a banger. Pug. Stupid. Boy. Oh, I forgot to turn the audio on for you guys. Yikes. There you go. Oops. Oh, GG's. That's my bad. I should have turned the audio on for that. Welp. Shoop. And a shoop. And a shoop. Oi. Actually, wait. Go back to the BRB screen real quick. Thank you. We're gonna work on the website. Excuse me. I fixed a thing the other day where the website no longer just goes blank every time you refresh. That's pretty cool. But yeah. Oop. Wait, this is the merch store. Oops. By the way, brand new merch store technically. It's a lot more simplistic and cleaner. We still got Tope's facts for if he wants to ever edit this, I'll ask him. Obviously the full merch collection, and other than that, nothing. Everything links you to the... Actually, that links you to home, right? I believe that brings you to here. Yeah, alright. So, I've made some changes. I've made a lot of changes. I'm gonna work on more changes when I, start working on this right now. Let's change this to website development. So Browse merch now takes you to the right thing. About me, we have an about me. We've always had an about me, actually. Voila. Again, the homepage is the same. I don't know why I'm showing you this. I've decided to put every page on the same sidebar. I had them separate, but I didn't like that. So now they're all together. It's all one little thing. The setup specs are now here, and the site doesn't flip out when you refresh. That was a huge issue that I could not figure out, so I just recreated the entire repository on GitHub, and now it works magically. So yeah. Oh, thank you, CoolClubBot. I'm actually just showing that off right now. Thanks, CoolClubBot. Oh, stop it. But yeah, so I also updated the specs list, obviously, as I went through this. An actual picture of my computer. Kind of smart. And, yeah. I put my socials on here now, so that's pretty cool. Also join the Discord. If you're not in the freaking Discord, you should join the Discord. Please and thank you. Oh, CoolClubBot just died there. Did the YouTube thing show up? Is that broken? Oh, nope, it's there. It's just... Yeah. Can I put stuff on top of it? Wait. Hold on. I'm like flooding chat right now. I think it lets you overlay. It just... Don't spam the chat with commands. Sorry. I was just messing with stuff. Please and thank you. Okay, so I have a socials thing now on here. It's cool and stuff. I have the socials, I have business, and I have merch store stuff, which basically just says contact customer support, not me. That's blank. That's blank. All my mods descriptions are blank. That's gonna be easy to do. I'll probably do that today. Same with that. I got my mods and packs lists on the new site, and it honestly does not look too bad. So that's what I did yesterday. Just all the pages that we had on the store page, I moved it because that was the priority, right? Was to fix this. I was looking for this 5 days ago and it wasn't there. Well, now it's here because I just did it yesterday. So I have mods list, packs list. It's pretty much exactly the same as the old site, but it's on a new site, so it's cool. Oh. I changed Meet the Homies a ton, by the way. I I don't have like descriptions of everyone and like their bios and stuff. It's just a mod section, a top supporter section, and channel artists. I also put bots on here for some reason. So we have mods, and then Taupe's facts, links to there. Abra's Pinterest is here. You should go check out Abra's Pinterest, by the way. You could also suggest builds on there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so we have mods, the homies, and that there. We have Turtle Gang, Hardcore Hearts, the Twitch teams, and server host for that. Actually, I might do the Hardcore World info first so that we can complete this whole section here. This is almost fully done. Pretty nice. Welcome back, Abra. I've combined the two. I had 2 Hall of Fame pages on here, but both of them had like no info on it, so it's one page again, just like the original was. So that was all moved. You could still find the application and the items list on the sidebar here, but I'm going through the website before we keep editing it, Abra. I'm kind of in love with it though, definitely. Yeah, Hall of Fame page. Mods and packs are back. Meet the homies are back. It's a little different. I still got your stuff here, but it's a little different. Channel partners and stuff. Socials. Specs. And that's it. Honestly, majority of the stuff, though, came from the original site. So it wasn't too hard to do. This was annoying, getting the colors like this. Because you gotta do, whatchamacallit, you gotta do HTML with your markdown, and yeah. These the updated specs? Yes. I checked off the reminder. All that changed was, I have a Lee and Lee case now. It's not some third party, what was it called? Vetru? Not third party, but Lee and Lee is a better name. And it looks sick, dude. Don't mind the carpeting or the wall or anything. The PC is sick, dude. Also, it's not on the carpet. It's raised with, like, wooden boards. Don't worry. I should call this, like, the fish tank or something. Because Taupe called it a fish tank, and I low-key got offended. But it's growing on me. We got a desk reveal. That's in the Discord. Yes. I swear I've shown you the desk before. 2 stream decks. Yeah. It's a Stream Deck Plus and a Stream Deck XL. I actually had a whatchamacallit. I had a Stream Deck Mark 1, like the original 15-button one, and I'm just like, dude, I don't use this cuz it was all of the buttons I had for Link, like modding Link's chat, and now it's just on the now it's just on this other Stream Deck. Cuz I had way too much space. But yeah, Stream Deck XL, and then a one that has knobs and stuff. But yeah, and then peripherals, other gear, and then the laptop is on. I have no open space on my desk. It's such an issue. I have no free space on here. You'd think I do, but I don't. Like I can't even see the edge of my left side monitor because I don't know where to put it. Half the open space on my desk is a mouse pad, and the other half is random games I left there. Oh, and the Xbox. Okay, that's valid though. Dude, it makes no sense. The desk isn't even that small either. I think I just have my screens so close to me because I have a monitor mount, because the legs to the freaking things are always so wide. I don't know, I'm just complaining. But yeah, specs. I also updated the commands, so boom and boom. I should have these commands trigger, might be too much. I could have like the specs and mods trigger the website that you see on top. That'd be cool. I also need to add sound effects. That's probably not that hard to do. To the like the toasts like whooshing in and stuff. Hope you're doing well, by the way, Abra. Welcome in. I was showing everyone before that this is the updated merch store. It's very simple. Tope's facts. Dude, Tope needs to update this freaking page, dude. Alright. Let's get working on this. I do have the stream as... Wait, I can edit it right now. Website development. I do have the thumbnail still as Minecraft, but it's fine. That is a-okay. Also, thank you guys for 800 YouTube subs. I saw that before. Whoa, I can hear myself. Go like the YouTube stream. We're getting to 1,000 subs. I don't care. I think I plan on getting 1,000 subs by the end of last year. So let's go. Let's go, dude. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. What is that? What is that? Oh, there it is. npm run docs dev. Let me split this actually. I'm gonna try to split screen this for you guys. It's not what I wanted to do. Website development. Is that what it's called? What? I didn't. Where does it say that? Development? Development? Did I say it wrong? What? I'm so confused. Oh, Key's just being a Timmy. Classic. Alright, cool. Sorry. I'm not here? Oh, you're definitely here. I can see that you're here. You've definitely made yourself known to be here. Thank you. Thank you for that. What is... Oh, okay. I'd like to fix that. And run docs. Cool. It does look different because it's vertical. It's cool that it automatically that's not me, that's V. Alright, what do I need to change? I need to change... Would you guys rather... I can't just show you the website changing. I'd like to show you me coding it. But I also need... I want the whole screen. Like, I don't know what to do here. I could set up a second... I'm just gonna do it. F it. Oh, enhanced key buttons. I was working around this before. Enhanced key buttons is updated to 1.21.5 all the way to 1.21.8 and it works perfectly. Go download it, please. Go use it. Go play it. It's very cool. It's very fun. You can configure like everything with it. Thank you. I have to upload it to GitHub before I forget to. I need to change the license on this actually. That's not good. Boom. Boom. Description. This actually uses Markdown as well, so I think I could just keep that thing. Bam. It's actually nice. I kind of want to do something like maybe copy that. All right, hold on. Did I get downloaded? It did. Okay, and then that. Then maybe save. Move those to there. Enhance key. Yeah, I don't know where that came from. I saw that the thingy had. Oops, sorry. I know that the sign mod surpassed it like a few months ago, I think. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. That it's getting it's gotten some attention. I'm very happy with it. Boom. What's the difference here? Thank you, Kuklabot. Yeah, get your daily totems, guys. Dude, he's responding to me today. This is it's such a good day, dude. Aw, Kuklabot's feeling talkative. That's cute, I guess. Nice. So I'm thinking we do something like no signed GUI, and then you do boom, and then boom, and then boom, and then no sign. It's gonna throw a fit because it thinks I'm breaking it, and then shoop. Or not. Slash. Or not. Oh, because that's the wrong freaking page. Okay. That looks a little goofy, but I like it. Honestly, I don't even hate that. Something that's so simple. It is like, yeah, I don't know. I don't know why I like that, but I do. I downloaded it 700 times. He's about to get banned 700 times. That's pretty fun. What are we feeling for this? Let's feeling a different song. What are we feeling for music? By the way, Aber, all 5 of the songs I added for you played while you were gone. I wish I was joking. No. Let's find a good song while we do some stuff. Oh, by the way, don't hate on me. I'm in my Tate McRae phase right now. Don't yell at me. I know a good song or two. Yeah, but they played already, so sorry. Let's. It'd be cool to separate that. Yeah, I like that actually. Enhanced keybinds. Enhanced keybinds. Sweet. So it's just gonna do that automatically. Okay. Boom. 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 Honestly, I don't hate that. It's really simple, but I like it. And then we'll have some info for the Kool-Aid.live. And then Cool Club bot. Perfect. I need intro pages for the hardcore world and the about me. I might not finish this on stream, by the way, but it will be done by tonight, definitely. This is just a bunch of yapping. Like, hi, I'm Aiden. I like to play Minecraft and code. Blah blah blah. Yeah, I never said thank you for 1,000 downloads on this. To do that, I also need to publish this in Discord so that people see it. Did anybody react to it? Whoa, excuse me. Anybody react to it being uploaded on? I mean, it was just the beta. All right. Why is that so zoomed in? It's not. I'm just crazy. Okay. Do about me. I don't want to listen to myself. I'm just here to copy this. I'm thinking we do no. That. And then content creation. Right. I started making Minecraft YouTube videos in August of 2021 and officially started streaming on December. I could do like content creator, right? Hold on. We're cooking. Be like... blah, blah, blah. Stuff like that. You'll occasionally see some for... Oh, shut up. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Alright, Zach, thank you. We never see Fortnite anymore. Well, last time I had Fortnite as a sub goal, and it got absolutely bashed, so... Yikes. Nerd. Ian. Born and raised. Like that accent. I love how eating food is part of my bio, and I am the skinniest mofo you have ever seen. You can lose me behind the couch cushions. Just so you guys know. I guess I can add programming to my hobby skill set. Key, I have no idea what that means, dude. I don't know how you think I know what that means. Concrete jungle, where wet dream tomato. It. Yes, sir. Oh, dude, I got. Oh, we have to do AW. We have to do AW. We actually have to do AW. Where's AW? AW. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just closed out of the freaking thing on accident. Okay. Whoa, get that off my screen, please. Why is it so large? Come on. Alright, what was I just working on? Also, is this broken? Yeah, okay. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. About. Dem run docs. I forgot we have like so many versions of freaking AW. Perfect. AW. Oh my, dude, it's so big. Don't take that out of context, please. If why do I want to keep it? Why do I want to keep it? Why do I want to keep it? I want to keep it. I want to keep it. I want to keep it. Why do I want to keep it? Masterpiece. Yes, yes. Look at those lips. God damn. I'm shocked you're considering it. I should probably like take a real picture for you guys. I don't really care anymore. I should just take a picture because I need to freaking, yeah. You're shocked I'm considering it? I put it on here on my home screen once. It's the best idea I've ever had. Nah, it's way too big, dude. It's actually way too big. I'm keeping AW on the, I'm keeping it there, though. It's there. For whenever I need to use it. It's there. I should put it as like my icon or something. Like right up here or something. Oh, Minecraft content creators. That's a good title. Big gamer nerd. Okay. Video games. Which profile picture? Yeah, no thank you. For a month. Oh, oh no. That's gonna be after we hit the trader pack one. How about that? How about that? Honestly, there's not much to know about me. Like, what else is there? The thing with this site, like one of the big things that I don't like about this site, now I'm sure I can do it custom, but I don't know how. You can't just put images wherever you want. It's like formatted, so it's always like, first of all, scaled as large as it can possibly fit, but also like only vertical. Like you can't make it in line with any text, and it's really annoying. Um, which gaming content creator? I am looking to attend college as a computer science major. do, 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 do. Beautiful. Do, 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 do. Let's be totally honest, everybody knows this, and if you don't, then now you know. Am I phrasing this right? Attend college as a comp sci major. Why does that sound wrong? I don't think it's wrong, but looking to attend college as a preparing to attend college as a comp sci major. Yeah. Computer science. Actually, I think I decided that comp sci is like not a good thing to major in because it's so inflated. Because I think I want to do an engineering for a major because that I feel like that gives me more opportunities and stuff. So engineering major and then just like some division of not division, but you know what I mean. Something under computer science as a minor to minor in, and then major is the engineering because they don't like an engineering minor is not a thing, but if it was, I would love to do that, but it's just not. Based on my research, nobody offers and like any engineering as a minor because it's just that important, that big of a thing. I don't know. You're doing comp sci? Nice. Big life nerd. Or aid. Welcome to my bio. Kool-Aid. Or just aid. Short for Aiden. Welcome to my bio. This is my bio. This is my bio. No, this is my bio. Very simple. Big nerd. Boom. I think you can customize these to be per page. Because by default, it takes the triple hashtag and puts it on the sidebar, but I think you can edit that. Because here on this page is this whole paragraph because it's the triple hashtag. Thought CS had hardware, but it didn't, so I'm training myself. Computer science is just the study of computer programming. The hardware would be like your computer engineering and computer like hardware development. But I think comp sci is just an umbrella term for a bunch of stuff because you have cybersecurity, you have AI, you have like data, like you have like analysis and stuff. You have like information systems. That's all computer science, from what I understand. Don't know which of those I want to do yet. And then you have like game development. You have computer programming under computer science. Like it's all a bunch of stuff. But yeah. All right, I'll probably work on these later. Big nerd. Coding hobbyist. Beautiful. What a title. past few years, I have found a new love for new interest in programming and computer and I have a few coding projects under wrong one. Discord development with script. Incorporating Markdown with HTML and CSS. Dabble in Minecraft, in Java, Minecraft mod development, and Discord bots in JavaScript. Out my Twitch channel here. Nessie Dance was almost a voice crack and a half. Here. Honestly, I kind of like the all caps, you know, like here. Check out my Minecraft mods here on Modern. Beautiful. It's also something I have to update with the do I want to have it linked to this? Nah, no. Alright, I'm happy with this. Basic info. Subtle flex. Gotta include the subtle flex, you know? Um. All right, that's nice. I like that actually. I like that more. The wording is better. Should have built a custom PC. I'll have to dab with my grandma to build Java, Discord bots, JavaScript. Check out my microbots here. Okay. So we have that. Next page. PC specs. Honestly, I like how you finish this. I like how you finish the whole like that. The next page, boom, proof. Kind of funny. And then all the socials. Nice. I like that. Actually, you know what we can do is check out all of my social. Why is Cool Club Bot only putting that message? It is randomized, but that'd be weird coinky dink. Here. Out all of my socials here. That's kind of that's kind of a it's kind of misleading because it talks about me as a like talks about me and then go to socials and it's just all the Kool-Aid stuff. That's fine. Maybe one day I'll update this to include like actual socials. Probably not though. Check out all of my socials. Kool-Aid. Kool-Aids. Nice. Okay, I like that. Beautiful. I'll probably tweak these actually. All right, let's work on Hardcore World, and then I think I'm gonna end it there. I'll finish these today, and then I'll mark this thing as like done. So get hyped for that. Thank you, KuklaBot. Ads are playing in 60 seconds. Happy. Hardcore. That's it. My Hardcore World. Uh, 2,000 days in hard for Minecraft. My 2,000 day hardcore Minecraft world. Perfect. Let's get this. Okay, might be a little bit what if I just boom? What is this? Stream.png? Okay, perfect. Boom boom. Honestly, I like it. It has the little live thing, but I kinda dig it. Now, what do I have on my Split is currently on his 4th long-term hardcore world since he started streaming. The world began on November 25th, 2023. Is vanilla on version 1.21.7. Currently on version 1.21.7. I think I'll include a lot of info about the hardcore world here. During some quality of life and performance optimization. You can check out all of the mods, data packs, and resource packs used on the hardcore world on the next page. Basic info. All of a big part of the world is the Hall of Fame. A build dedicated to Kool-Aid's top supporters who have been most active members of the community. You can find all of the info about the Hall of Fame here. Kool-Aids are 2000. Okay. Titans and builds and Titan proto. Another can redeem this for redemptions. Things in the panel points. Here's gonna rename items for their Hall of Fame plot. A name for a customized armor stand to protect the world, or even a large mega build for 250k points. I think that's pretty, it kind of sums up the whole redemptions thing pretty well. I guess buy would be the right word there. With channel points is another big part of the hardcore streams. Viewers can redeem items for their Hall of Fame plot, customize for their Hall of Fame plot, customize armor stand to protect the world, or even a large mega build for 250k points. Nice. I like that. Is there anything else I should include? I'm kind of having like a huge brain fart right now. Basic info, Hall of Fame, redemptions. I kind of like that. I like that a lot. Just out of curiosity, how would this look if the image was at the bottom, though? Just out of curiosity. Honestly, I don't hate that, but I don't know. Instead of 250, I do. Okay, yeah, I see you. Yeah, thank you, Amber. Smarty pants. Yes. Yeah, I see you. This is kind of why I want to edit my freaking rules channel again. A lot of info you can just find on the website, so yeah. What's up, Ape? Welcome in. Oi. Hope you're doing good. Literally just catching the end of stream again. What time is it? Almost 4 o'clock. Alright, yeah. Let's head out. I will, if I wanna mess with anything I've messed with today, then I will. But decent progress. We finished our mod and uploaded it. We checked out a new mod that does not work, but it will. It's gonna be amazing. And we are like so close to being done with this website. So thank you guys. Little relaxed stream. I know everyone's here for the Minecraft, but for those who are lurking, thank you, and for those who are here, thank you as well. We're gonna raid this person. Yes. I know it was a shorter stream, but I also went live a little later, so. Oop. Gonna raid Lime. He's cool. Thank you, Key. Thanks, Abra. I should be back on Saturday. Yes. Socializing tomorrow. I will be back on Saturday. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing work for the rest of the day. I have to get the mod on GitHub and CurseForge because, yes. Something I thought of doing a really long time ago was porting the sign mod over to NeoForge and Quilt, because that's pretty easy to do, I think. I just have to set up architecture. What it's called? Architecture? Yeah. So maybe not in the near future, but it's on the list. It's on my things to do. Port the sign mod to a bunch of different versions because it's just super easy to do. And not with the sign mod. I mean, not with the keybinds mod, by the way. That's a fabric thing. I'm not porting that whole thing. No offense. But yeah, I'll finish the website. I will also upload this to GitHub because you guys can't actually see the updated site until I upload it. So, But yes, I will get that done. So thank you, Abra. Thanks for modding. Thank you, mods. Thanks, Pug. Thank you, Ape. I'll see you guys Saturday. Bye.